Level 3 Award in Food Safety Supervision for Manufacturing. This course is an advanced qualification designed for supervisors, team leaders, and those responsible for overseeing food safety practices in manufacturing. This course builds upon the foundation of food safety principles, providing learners with the knowledge and confidence to monitor, supervise, and maintain high standards of hygiene and safety in food production environments. Who needs this qualification? Food manufacturing supervisors and line leaders, quality control and quality assurance officers, health and safety and hygiene supervisors, managers responsible for food safety compliance, individuals seeking career in food safety. How long will it take? The qualification has a recommended duration of 3 days. Modules: supervisory roles and responsibilities in food safety, national and international food safety legislation, microbiological hazards and control in food manufacturing, managing physical and chemical contamination risks, personal hygiene and staff training responsibilities, cleaning, disinfection, and sanitation procedures, waste management and pest control strategies, temperature control systems and monitoring techniques, food safety management systems, HACCP and supervisory application, monitoring, verification, and auditing processes, food safety communication and staff motivation, supervising safe handling and storage of food products, investigation of food safety incidents, corrective actions, and preventive measures, final theory and practical assessment. Assessments. This qualification is evaluated using assessments. To receive this qualification, the learner must pass test with 70%. Why SAFQUAL? We are fast and reliable, provides high-quality assessment materials and documentation free with registration, offers competitive pricing and faster results and certification, delivers reliable and responsive customer support. We are highly experienced and a one-stop shop. Courses are highly respected in the industry, backed by expert team in course development and delivery. Expertise spans multiple levels of training and education. We are popular and trusted. Courses are delivered by approved centers internationally, available through schools, employers, and private training providers. Trusted by a wide range of partners due to our fast certification and dedicated support.